Procreate exporting to iPhone. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because they want to export their artwork from Procreate Pocket correctly without losing quality. Open Procreate Pocket on your iPhone and wait for the gallery to load. Tap to open your finished artwork so it appears on the canvas screen. In the top left corner, tap the Actions icon to access the Settings menu. From the menu options, tap Share to begin exporting your artwork. A list of file formats will appear, and you should choose PNG to maintain high image quality. Tap PNG to confirm your selection. Wait while the app processes the export. Once processing is complete, the iOS Share menu will automatically appear on your screen. Tap Save Image from the list of options to store the file directly on your device. The image will save to your Photos app. Exit Procreate Pocket and open your iPhone Photos app. Navigate to the Recents album to quickly find the newly exported image. Tap the image to open it and zoom in with 2 fingers to carefully check the quality and details. If you notice anything that needs adjustment, return to Procreate Pocket and open your artwork again. Tap the Actions icon once more, then tap Share. This time, choose JPEG if you need a smaller file size for easier sharing or storage. Tap the JPEG format to proceed and wait for the Export menu to appear again. When the Share menu opens, tap Save to Files if you prefer storing the file in your device storage instead of photos. Select your iPhone's local storage location from the list of available folders. After choosing the correct folder, tap Save to confirm. Close Procreate Pocket and open the Files app on your iPhone. Browse to the location where you saved the exported file and locate it in the folder. Long press the file icon until a menu appears. Tap Share from the menu options. Select your preferred destination, such as messaging, email, or cloud storage. Confirm your chosen sharing method to complete the process. Your artwork has now been successfully exported to iPhone storage.